So I decided to title my website The Modern Villain because I think it really encompasses what the new story of Maleficent is trying to tell. I also try to include some interesting, eye catching tabs that you may want to click on. So I use some pictures that are actually from promo for the movie. So you can see those there. So Maleficent is not your ordinary villain. Although she's terrifying to look at, she really shows as a character that she can evolve. She looks very scary, as you can tell from this picture here. And something that I read was that her daughter did have to play a part due to a child crying and running away and being unable to perform. Maleficent is a fairy whose ways change throughout the entire film. Literature usually shows her as a mangled, elderly woman with ill intent for everyone around her, especially those who are innocent to her situation. She takes out her anger on everyone around her rather than just being rational. That's the way the story shows her. But today, Disney has shown Maleficent in a new light by showing her backstory as to the horrible act she committed, then showing her reasoning and growth after the terrible wrongdoing. So, this is just a link to one of these others. So the difference is Maleficent breaking the standard for female villains in Disney. She flips the narrative. We're used to seeing a villain with no clear story as to why they're such a bad person, but the narrative of the villain has begun to shift thanks to the portrayal of Maleficent's life story and showing that a character can grow into their story rather than be demonized for it. This is something that Disney has not really given us before, so this is a nice change of pace.